Research shows that this can lead to excessively dry skin. Vitamin or mineral deficiency. Skin requires nutrients to keep it healthy. If you're not getting enough vitamin D, vitamin A, niacin, zinc, or iron, you can develop excessively dry skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY face mask for dry skin. You will need 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti. It can be used as a scrubber to remove dead skin cells from your body. It can also be used for toning and moisturizing dry skin. Mint leaves powder 1 teaspoon. The richness of menthol and natural antioxidants in mint leaves are used as an amazing cleanser, toner, astringent and moisturizer for the skin. Mint leaves tones the skin, softens dry and itchy skin. Curd 1 teaspoon. A curd face pack can provide much needed hydration and nourishment. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse off to reveal soft, supple skin.